Hello everyone, this is Erfan from mylifechart.com and welcome to my LazerPoint Profits review. And before getting into the review, I would like to show you my customized bonus page as I said in the last video. So you will get my special bonus page. You can also find it in the main member area as well. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm gonna go to member area. This is a bonus page that I was talking about. So you will get 4 bonuses. This is the first bonus, download dollars. The second bonus is email list secrets step-by-step guide. The third bonus is email list secrets video tutorials. The fourth one is email list building blueprints. So we have 4 bonuses for this particular product, and I arrange all of them for you. You just need to download them for free. So yeah, this is the bonus page. I just put the link down below in the description. You can check it out and give your get your copies. So what is LazerPoint Profits? So I'm personally a big fan of this product because I use email list. Because I have an email list, I use email marketing and I use it a lot. And I would say this is so beneficial for every single marketer. So LazerPoint Profit is created by Paul Thiele, that you will see his picture in the next slide. And he will show you a step-by-step how to start targeted white hat email lead generation that will grow your list by thousands in less than a week, or let's say less than 2 weeks. So all of the tutorials are going to be non-spam and white hat, which is really important. And that's the main reason you can actually get your email list by thousands of lead members. And yeah, I think this one is for that one. So this is the part of Paul Thiele. This gentleman here is a creator of this product. And I think this one is his third product. He had 2 products before this, which was really successful, I think. This is the third one. So who is this product for? So this product is, kind of special for those who are marketers, as I said, and they have activities in marketing niche and online entrepreneurship, and everyone needs an email list to promote their business for sure. And for those who want to build an audience in a particular niche, and for those who are already successful in your business and want to expand it even more. Because even if you have a really successful business and you don't have any email list, I'm telling you, you're putting a lot of money on the table and you're actually losing a lot of money. Money is in the list. So if you want to be even more successful in whatever you're doing, I would suggest to definitely go for that, so you won't lose anything. So how will this product benefit you? So the first step is to how and where to collect leads. So he will show you all of the tutorials. You can get it in the members area. So how to gather your emails quickly, effectively, and in an ethical way. The second step is using email to get new clients. So once you already created your leads and they are all ready to contact, you will learn how to effectively send out an email campaign. And the third one is upsell your clients. So which is totally up to you. If you have any products for upsells and downsells, you can easily promote it after creating your list. Okay, sales page review. Yeah, this is a really good idea to go over the sales page review as well. So this is the sales page review that you will see in the future. They have a video here, the benefits, why this method is so unique for you. There are 3 benefits here. What is LazerPoint Profits? How could LazerPoint Profits will help you? That's I already explained, but in this page you will get more details. So what you will learn in 3 steps: testimonials, introduction, bonuses, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we can actually find this page inside my bonus page. You will have access to everything. So the next one is going to be how much does this product cost? So this is my favorite part. So the first part is front end, which is the main price, which is $7.95 to $12.95. The first upsell is $19.97. So you can see the description here in this area. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but I have it in my bonus page as well. So if you can't read it properly, the second upsell is $67.97, and the third one is $77.47. So the third one is pretty cool, guys, because you will get a Skype coaching with Paul Tilley. So you will have a one-on-one call. So you can ask him, whatever question you have. So this is the first bonus that you will get in the members area. I mean, in my bonus page, which is called download dollars. So the second one is email list secrets, a step-by-step guide, which you can discover the step-by-step blueprint to building a thriving email list and increase your profits starting today. Bonus 3 and 4. The third one is email list secrets video tutorials. So it means that now you can get instant access to 10 hot over-the-shoulder step-by-step video tutorials. Download and start playing these video tutorials right from the comfort of your home. That is pretty cool too. So a lot of people ask about the is this product guaranteed or not? And I decided to just gather some testimonials about some people. We can see here in this section, this one and this one. So you will find all of these in this bonus page. So I just want to give you some idea, just a heads up. So how to get us started? So if you want to get us started with this product, you just need to check out my bonus page. I will go over one more time to tell you what exactly this product is. Guys, in general, shortest story longest story short, if you want to go for that, you will learn how to gather your email list, how to effectively collect leads, right traffic, not the wrong people. Because if you can, get thousands of people every month, but whether they are not buyers, so it's not going to be effective for you. You want buyers. You want the people who actually buy your product in your list. So as you can see here, you get a step-by-step tutorial, and it's 100% white hat, it's targeted, and it's free. So free means that you don't need to pay for any paid advertisements, I believe, and all of them can be done free. And the main part, I believe, is this part, which is targeted. This is the section you want, because you don't want everyone to come to your list. You want the actual buyers. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I think I covered everything, and by now you know what this product is. You can easily go for the bonuses and get them for free. And if you have any questions, just ask me. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to grow faster. And don't forget to check out the bonus page. I put the link down in the description. So if you have any questions, guys, just let me know, and see you in the next video.